What up guys, so vlogging. Alright, so just trying to set the camera right now. Okay, I'm actually at this same central market. I just want to get some some makeup. These people are just so funny. Anyway, so let's go. I parked over down there and I'm just legging to the place, so let's go. All right, so the thing is that when I left the house, I actually didn't even want to vlog in my car because I don't want to bore you guys with vlogging in the car all the time. So I had already set the camera, you know, but I was like I don't want to vlog, but there are a lot of stuff I wanted to tell you guys, but since I didn't vlog anymore, so I couldn't, you know, tell you guys. So I'm almost at the place that I'm getting the makeup. I just have, oh my gosh, this is my very first time vlogging in this market. Lots of people looking at me. Look at there's a place I used to buy. What up guys, good evening. Alright, so today has been a very dramatic day. In fact, yesterday was the most dramatic day of all time. I don't even want to show you what happened. Like, yesterday was so dramatic. Alright, so anyways, I went to the market yesterday and then I got some good makeups, you know, because my makeup was kind of running out, so I was just like making do of what I can get. But I got some new makeups and I got some dresses from Fashionista also. And you know, it's end of the month, so let me treat myself to, you know, that kind of stuff. So basically today has just been like I've been with my camera all through today and I have not vlogged, not even once. But I've just been thinking of a lot of stuff. I don't even know. Maybe I should tell you guys, you know, but I wouldn't even want to do that because I know some people might just, you know, give me some comments that would just, you know, that'll just make the whole situation worse. So that's why I'm just gonna like keep it to myself first, you know, and just, you know, and take caution and think about my life all over. Think about so many things, you know, and try to also correct some things. Okay, but yeah, it has been a wonderful day and I'm just on my way heading to see my cousin who gave birth. I made a vlog and I posted the vlog, you know, you guys will probably have seen that vlog. So I'm just on my way to see her and I want to go with Dami. Alright, kind of waiting for him. I'm around his house, alright, but I'll be going inside to see him. But of course I'm not gonna go with you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna be showing you guys the makeup I bought, or probably maybe I'm gonna be doing like a get ready with me kind of videos and maybe show you guys the makeup and also definitely, you know, show you guys the clothes. Like, I just packed the clothes one place. I actually refuse to even open it because I don't want to be tempted to wear one first. I want to show you guys before I wear it. Okay, so that's it for now. Alright, when any other thing comes up, I'm going to show you guys. If I get in the mood and that means here, I'm going to be vlogging, but if not, no need, because you know it is more painful. Like, let me just like kind of tell you guys in riddles. It is more painful for you to get a particular comment from the person that you feel that the person is a part of you. If that particular comment was like from some other person, it wouldn't have been very painful. But if it's someone very, very close to you, you weren't expecting that person to say that to you, and all of a sudden the person just Just see that it's kind of very, very painful. I don't know if you can assimilate what I'm trying to say right now. That's just it, sha. But for now, I'll be going and I'll be back. Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? How was your night? And how is your day? That's if it's daytime where you are, because the time varies. Okay, so I am looking all dressed up and put on my new purchase makeup to church. Alright, so to update you guys, today's Sunday and I am heading to church. Alright, so the thing is that I seem not to have enough fuel in my ride, so I might be branching at the fuel station to purchase fuel. Today is Sunday and I am happy. It's good to be at peace with people. It's good to be like a good neighbor, a good friend, a good sister, a good mother. Though I'm not a mother yet, but definitely it's good to be a good person. How for you? It's definitely good to be a good person, alright, wherever you find yourself. When you give out favors, like favor will just follow you. That's just the irony of life. It's just so good, and you just would find peace, and you find yourself having or feeling that peace, innermost peace in you. That's just it, sha. But since I'm going to church and I'm rushing, I don't even know why there are so much cars on this road right now. Maybe they're actually having something around here. There's so much cars here. Alright, so I'm rushing to the church and we are gonna be talking definitely soon. Okay, so the thing is that I just want to begin my daily vlog kind of thing. Despite that, I'm still gonna be doing my review. I'm still gonna be doing daily vlog. It's been a long while, like I vlog with you on the bed, or I vlog with you guys, just waking up, or talking to you guys on the bed, or talking to you guys in the bathroom. Okay, not in the bathroom, like trust me, of course. But yeah, daily vlog. I'm thinking about like doing the daily every blessed day that the Lord has created. I am, I'm not going to be vlogging. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comment section if I should, resume my daily vlog thing. That's why I'm still going to be doing my reviews and maybe pranks, challenge, anything. But the daily vlog has to be constant. Let me know at the comment section what you guys think about that. Alright, so for now I'm just about entering the express road where there are a lot of cars. Okay, I don't want to hear anybody just unnecessarily giving me unnecessarily like hurry, get out of the road thing. So I'm on the express road now, so I'm gonna be pausing and we are gonna be talking again soon. You can see I'm back, I'm back. What up guys, so I'm back from church and alright, so what happened is that when I left the house I wasn't able to arrange anything, like arrange my my stuff here in this bedroom. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. But first of all, I'm going to go look for what to eat. Then second of it all, I am going to be making some, I'm going to be, going on live stream on my beauty channel, so you guys can join me. And also I'll be indulging myself with some work today. Alright, so today we actually talked about people, like the haters, the people who feel bad about themselves, and the people who kind of feel happy about themselves. Okay, that was what we talked about in church today, and it draws me to remember some people's comments, and all of that. People might just decide to hate you for just no reason. That's just one of the things we talked about in church today. And also they talk about having dominion over your own happiness and your own life. Okay, do not allow any person's or any other person opinion rule or guide your life. Those are the things we talked about today in church, and it was beneficial to me. It was good, it was nice, like yo, nice. Alright, so let me go and look for what to eat. So we're gonna be talking again soon, but I am back home, and see you guys later. Alright, so basically these are the things I got from the market. Okay, first the makeups. The first I got this dynamic liquid liner. I needed some eyeliner because I actually thought that I do have this one though, but I've been looking for this liner for a very long time, like seriously. So I actually thought that I've missed it, but the liner is so like pigmented, you can see that, and it's a matte kind of liner. Okay, so I actually thought I've misplaced this one. This one is still very much full. It's Huda Beauty eyeliner. So I went ahead to buy this dynamic eyeliner, and also I got some concealer. Let me open it. So I got some concealer, and yeah, I've already used it. I used it yesterday and today. This is actually what I use in making up my face. And I got some Milani concealer plus perfect foundation, 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and with the color, what color is it? Okay, color golden tan 10. And also I got the compact powder. Let me open it. I've used it though, and the color of the compact powder I got this, what's the color, 108 medium. So basically, if you see me do some makeup on my face, you should know the foundation and the powder that I am using. Okay, because when I went to the market, I actually looked for a MAC product, to use, but they honestly do not have MAC products in that market. So that was why I actually got this Milani product. Milani product is also nice. And also I got eyelashes, and I got some short eyelashes, and that is what I'm using right now. It's shorter than the one I got from Lagos, which is really long. So that's it. I'll be back.